Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something special, a bold, stylish SUV that's making waves in the automotive world, the Jaecoo J7. Whether you're into adventure, luxury, or just looking for a sleek ride, this SUV has a little something for everyone. The Jaecoo J7 stands out with its rugged yet sophisticated look. From the sharp front grille to the bold LED headlights, this SUV is all about modern aesthetics. It has a distinctive wide stance, with a high ground clearance that makes it perfect for both city driving and off-road adventures. What I love about the J7's design is how it balances luxury and toughness. You've got these sporty curves, but also durable features like these 19-inch alloy wheels. And look at this roof rack. Perfect for carrying your extra gear. The interior is packed with features. A 12.3-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, a digital instrument cluster, and wireless charging. It also comes with a surround view camera, which is a game changer for tight parking spaces or navigating tricky terrains. But looks aren't everything. Let's talk performance. The Jaecoo J7 comes with a turbocharged 1.6-liter engine producing 197 horsepower. It's not just about power, though. The handling is smooth, and with adaptive cruise control, your long highway drives are going to be a breeze. Safety is key, and the Jaecoo J7 doesn't hold back. With features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control, you're well covered in any situation. It even comes with driver attention monitoring. So, if you're starting to drift off on long drives, the car will gently remind you to take a break. On top of that, the J7 delivers a decent fuel economy, making it great for both your wallet and the environment. And with 500 liters of boot space, it's practical for families, outdoor adventurers, or anyone who needs plenty of room. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest cars and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.